Are you looking for a thrilling career opportunity as a government land surveyor in Vizag? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the perfect position for you. As a government land surveyor, you will have the chance to work on exciting projects in one of the most beautiful cities in India. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can expect to be part of a dynamic and innovative team that is dedicated to delivering exceptional results. As a government land surveyor, your main responsibility will be to accurately measure and map out land areas for various government projects. Whether it's for infrastructure development, urban planning, or environmental conservation, your expertise will play a crucial role in shaping the future of Vizag. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you will have access to state-of-the-art equipment and advanced technology that will aid you in conducting precise surveys. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies is its commitment to excellence and professionalism. With years of experience in the industry, the company has built a solid reputation for delivering high-quality services to its clients. As a government land surveyor, you will be part of a team that values accuracy, efficiency, and attention to detail. You will have the opportunity to work with experienced professionals who will mentor and guide you throughout your career. When you join Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as a government land surveyor in Vizag, you can expect a competitive salary package and excellent benefits. The company believes in rewarding hard work and dedication, and it provides ample opportunities for career growth and advancement. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, your skills and expertise will be recognized and appreciated. So, if you are passionate about surveying and want to make a difference in Vizag's development, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the place for you. Are you looking for a thrilling and rewarding career as a government land surveyor in Vizag? Well, look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to turn your dreams into reality. As a leading company in the field of land surveying, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers an exciting opportunity for individuals who are passionate about mapping and measuring land. With the rapid development happening in Vizag, the need for skilled and qualified land surveyors has never been greater. And with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can be a part of this dynamic industry and contribute to the growth of the city. Being a government land surveyor in Vizag means you will be responsible for accurately measuring and mapping land, which is essential for various projects such as infrastructure development, urban planning, and environmental assessments. Your work will play a crucial role in ensuring that projects are executed efficiently and effectively, without any encroachments or disputes. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you will receive comprehensive training and guidance to enhance your skills and knowledge in land surveying. From using advanced surveying equipment to interpreting data and creating detailed reports, you will be equipped with all the tools you need to excel in your role. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is known for its commitment